2026 is going to be the year of Claude. With 70% market share in enterprise AI and over 10 times revenue growth in 2025. Anthropic Claude is going to be the go-to tool for businesses and professionals worldwide. With a more engaged user base among all popular AI LLMs, Claude is growing fastest in percentage terms, with over 190% user growth in 2025. This growth and acceptance among customers make it the most important tool to learn this year. Our last Claude Cowork campaign was widely successful, but our users wanted a comprehensive training program covering all Claude features and new product releases from Anthropic. With the new feature release, this isn't just basic AI anymore. This is real workflow automation. And most people still don't know how to use it properly. That's exactly why we built Claude Mastery. Not a beginner course, not theory. An advanced, comprehensive, real-world program designed for how Claude is actually being used today. This is the next step from our previous Claude Cowork training. Where that program helped you get started, this one shows you how to go further. Deeper workflows, more automation, real integrations across your daily tools. Because Claude isn't just one feature anymore, it's an entire ecosystem. In Module 1, you'll learn how to structure Claude Chat into repeatable systems, turning prompts into reliable workflows that save hours every week. In Module 2, you'll go beyond prompts and build real tools using Claude Code, including live dashboards and data workflows, even without a coding background. In Module 3, you'll unlock the full power of Claude Cowork, automating file management, document processing, and large-scale tasks that usually take entire teams. And in Module 4, you'll connect Claude with tools like Gmail and Google Calendar, creating automated daily briefings, smart follow-ups, and decision-ready workflows. This isn't theory. These are real use cases, built for real work. AI is no longer about getting answers, it's about getting work done. And tools like Claude are changing that faster than most people realize.
We have over 50 plus successful Kickstarter campaigns with a 100% success and delivery rate. With over 10 plus years of online learning pedigree, we guarantee assured success each and every time. Join 3 million learners and trusted backers from around the globe for a premium upskilling experience. But hurry, don't miss out on the early bird offer. Pledge now.